Finding a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. With your eyes open, bring your gaze upward, as if you're trying to look up at your hairline or your eyebrows, and keeping your face forward. With your eyes gazed up, taking a deep breath in through the nose. Holding your gaze as you slowly exhale out. Taking another breath in through the nose, allowing the eyes to flutter as you fall deeper and deeper into relaxation. Breathing in one more time. And as you exhale, allowing the eyes to softly close and your gaze to lower. Bringing your focus to the top of your head and allowing every muscle within your scalp to begin to relax. Flowing down your forehead, your eyes, feeling them soften, your jaw relaxed, your mouth slightly parts. Coming down your shoulders, each arm to each fingertip. Slowly melting down the torso of your body as you become deeper and deeper into relaxation. Coming down each thigh, each calf, all the way to each one of your toes. Feeling this weight, this heaviness of relaxation. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhaling, allowing any remaining tension to softly release through your breath. And we'll begin tapping using only your imagination, focusing on each tapping point, knowing that where your attention goes, energy flows, and repeating the statements in your mind. Starting on the inner eye, it's easy for me to make decisions. Outer eye, I naturally feel into my intuition. Under eye, and I am automatically guided in the right direction. Upper lip, I am in tune with what I need. Chin, my path is always clear with certainty. Collarbone, decision-making happens smoothly and comfortably. Side of the body, knowing that I'm making the right decision for me. Top of the head, because I feel it in my body. Inner eye, my body knows the right decision. Outer eye, and I feel the answers course through my entire being. Under eye, and that feeling guides me with ease. Upper lip, it feels freeing and calming. Chin, I take comfort in knowing I always make the right decision. Collarbone, and I make the right decision quickly and effortlessly. Side of the body, making decisions feels good to me. Top of the head, it allows me to have power over my reality. inner eye, and that brings me great comfort. Outer eye, I make important decisions without hesitation. Under eye, I automatically know what's right. Upper lip, I am confident in my choices. Chin, I keep my eyes forward, knowing this choice is leading me down the right path. Collarbone, so there's never a need to look back. Side of the body, the answers always come from me, no one else. Top of the head, there is never a need to look to others. Inner eye, I have all the answers within. Outer eye, and as soon as I quiet my mind. Under eye, take a second to myself, they flow to me effortlessly. Upper lip, I enjoy making decisions. Chin, I feel calm and at ease when faced with decisions. Collarbone, the answers are always crystal clear. Side of the body, it seems the second I am faced with a decision. Top of the head, my body immediately responds with the answer. Inner eye, I know my intuition. Outer eye, and I know when I feel called to a path. Under eye, every cell of my being responds. Upper lip, and I know the answer. Chin, my intuition is always right. Collarbone, and I feel called and guided to receiving its messages. Side of the body, the decisions always present themselves clearly. Top of the head, and I receive them with clarity and calmness. Inner eye, knowing that I am headed in the right direction. Outer eye, I am grateful for this ability to feel into my decisions. Under eye, it's freeing to know the answers always come to me. Upper lip, it's empowering knowing I am in control of my life. Chin, my body feels at ease with every decision I make. Collarbone, my mind feels clear and calm as I state the decisions out loud. Side of the body, I trust in my ability to make decisions. Top of the head, I trust myself to decide what is best for me. With your eyes remaining closed, I want you to envision yourself being faced with making a decision. Maybe someone's asking something of you, something of your work, something with your children, with your family, something happening in your life where you need to make a decision. You see the two paths in the road. one leading you in this direction and one leading you in the opposite. You close your eyes and feel into your body, and you instantly know which direction is right for you. You feel clear on what path is your path. You feel calm with the decision that you make. You feel confident in the decision that you make. It's almost if a golden light is leading you and pulling you into that direction. You feel what your body is telling you. This overwhelming sensation guiding you in that direction. There's not a doubt in your mind. There's no hesitation, no worry, no fear. All you feel is confidence, hope, ease, calmness, peace, clarity, pulling you into that direction. This is how you are making decisions going forward. Knowing which path is clearly laid out for you. Without hesitation, with knowing every cell in your being is pulling you in the right direction. Because you are a master at making decisions.